Inventory setup. You can manage the inventory for your products per issue in the Magazine Manager. To set up inventory, go to the Management menu, Site Setup, Website Setup. There are a couple of ways you can manage the inventory. If you have the Inventory Wizard option here under the Ad Sales Management section, you can start the wizard there, or you can go into Products, and for each product you'll be able to set up your inventory. I'm going to expand my print product, and I'll come down to Healthy Eats. It's a product I want to set up inventory for. Notice in the bottom of the Edit Product window, here's the Inventory button. Press the Inventory button. Select the issue and the year that you want to set up the first inventory for. So we're going to set up 2013, and I'm going to start with the October issue of 2013. Okay. Once we select the issue and the year, press Start Wizard. Alright, it's telling us for Healthy Eats, October 2013. Press Next. Now there are a couple of ways that you can set the inventory. You can set the inventory for all of the ad sizes that you have available in your product. This does not have anything to do with your premium sizes like premium positions. It's like front cover, inside front cover, page 3, and so forth. If you want to set an inventory limit so that you can only have let's say 20 half-page verticals in your magazine, or perhaps you have one available for the conference guidebook, you can highlight these ad sizes that you want to set the inventory for. Once you select all the individual ad sizes for which you might want to track inventory, then go ahead and press Next. Now the second area is selecting positions to track inventory. Generally, I'll want to track inventory because we only have one front cover, one inside back cover, and one inside front cover. So I'm going to check the box at the top here to select all. Press Next. Now we have to set the values. So we have each of the individual ad sizes that we selected for inventory: half-page vertical, conference guidebook. We said we were only going to allow 20 half-page verticals. I double-click on this line for half-page vertical, type in the value 20, double-click in the conference guidebook. We have one of that ad size available per issue. Alright, once I set these values, I'll press Next. For inside front cover, back cover, inside back cover, we'll set these effective pages for one page of ads per special position. Now when you set this to 1, you may have 4 quarter pages, or 2 half pages, or 1 full page, but the inventory system will not allow you to sell any more than 1 total full page, or however many pages you set for the inventory. Let's say for this example that all the items on this list are going to be one front cover, 1 inside back cover, 1 inside front cover. We're just going to go ahead and set all the values to, type in the number 1 here. This is just a quick step to get all of the values set to 1 for all of these options and special positions. Once these inventory values have been set, press Next. So inventory setup is complete. It gives you a summary at the top, how many pages you're selling for the special positions, and then what is the count of the ad sizes available to sell in this magazine. We have 20 half-page verticals and 1 conference guidebook that we're going to sell. Now we can select multiple products if multiple products share a similar publication schedule and rate card, which our Healthy Eats and Organic Delights one share, but we're going to set it just for this product. Now we can also select all the issues that we want to copy this to. We're going to have the same inventory for every single issue we sell. So I'm going to select the first issue in my set of issues for Healthy Eats. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom of my list of issues, hold down the Shift key on my keyboard, select the last issue, and this will select all issues to copy this to. So I'm going to copy this inventory setup into all of the issues for my Healthy Eats product. Press Copy. This gives you a confirmation of everything it was copied to. Inventory data has been copied successfully. Press OK. Press Done, and that's it. You've set up inventory for your product for a specific count of ad sizes various ad sizes, and for special positions. Once you've set up the inventory count, now we'll set up how the system will treat someone who is trying to create a proposal or a contract for an item, for a position, or an ad size that has already exceeded or met the inventory limit. To do this, go to Management, Site Setup, Website Setup, and then come into the site-wide defaults. In the site-wide defaults here, in the upper section, the Ad Management Settings section, you'll see an area in the bottom here, Inventory Check. So what this basically is doing is, as an admin, you're setting up the system to tell it how to respond if your user is entering a proposal or entering a contract. If the sales rep is entering a proposal, you may wish to choose to show only an inventory warning, allowing the proposal to be created for further conversion into a contract. So in this case, we would set the inventory warning on when a proposal is being created. If a contract is being entered or a proposal is being converted to a contract, you may wish to stop the processing and not allow a user to actually go in and enter a contract for an inventoriable item that has exceeded the inventory limit. If you just want to put a warning here as well and continue to allow the contract to be entered into the system, simply uncheck the stop processing and just show the inventory warning. I'll show you in the next video, using inventory, how this will appear to the end user. Inventory setup.